Hey guys, all here and I found my animal twin, as you can see. See, we're exact twins. No, I don't want to be anyone's friend except the twin, which I did. Anyways, aw, she has a twin for her too. Oh my god, there's legit twins everywhere. Oh my gosh, awesome. Someone said something. No, I don't want to. Oh no. I don't want to go. I'm just going to read you some of my jokes. Okay, let's go to my den. Hi, thank you. Want to do Tiki Trouble? Meet me in my den. Hi, the evil dragon ended from Mario. Your mom is there on the ground. Thanks. Okay, I'll try another then. I don't know. Stay okay. Is this person still my friend? Oh. Okay, oh, hoi. Yep. I feel like I was crying. I watched this movie. Let's go to your den. What's up? I really like your den. Slime XD. When did he quit? Slime XD. I know, right? Hi. Thank you very much. Yes. Okay. Why did it locked? You can come back. Unlocked. Oh, well. One day I hope you get one. Thank you. I don't know. Offer. LOL. Thought you was gonna offer. Hello. I still have your art from like 1 year ago. You look really inspiring. 2 betas, scarves for your nerds. Your den locked. Wolf pack Maiden, plain Maiden. That's my friend in life, Speedy. Oh yeah, I love it. Hi, wanna roleplay? Come, here's drama. Here's their drama. Come back. Come here so we can continue the decorating thing. Locked. Hi, it's the oldest diamond. This is like in the first one. I made the worst AJ ever. I think she meant AJ Envy. I don't know what that means. If your mom hurts you, I will always be by your side. Hi. Same then. Problem solved. Oh my god! That scared me so bad. I was like, oh. I'd rather dance. Dance all night to the best song ever. When we dance though. Think this is Zoomer. Zoomer, yes! Yeah. I just have to say whom. But I know it's not a joke. I will jam back cover. And I will jam back upper. see. Hi, twin. How did she make a twin for every Sorry. I don't think that's how it is. I was so close to making a pet like that. But obviously I didn't. I made it into the girly girl one I have. Not this one, obviously. It's this one right here. Why is my mouse so glitchy? Mistalked. We danced on to the best song ever. And we danced all night to the best song ever. And we danced all night to the best song ever. And we danced all night to the best song ever. And we danced all night to the best song ever. Oh my god, this is stuck in my head again. How dare you? How dare you offend me? You offended me, One Direction, even though... Why does everyone dance with me? And we danced all night to the best song ever. Oh, 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 oh. This mouse is broken, April. Okay, yeah, sorry about the background. But anyways, I think this is all for today. Goodbye. Goodbye, love you all, Dolly out.